So guys, I came across this app that actually claims that you can actually make money watching videos. Yes, you heard me right. This app actually pays you for watching videos. Well, I decided to try it out. So at first I thought it was fake until I tried it out. So follow me as you see what happened next when I try this app out. So let's get started with this app.
This is the mobile app I'm talking about right here. So the name of the mobile app is called To Pay, Watch and Earn. So right here on this mobile app, according to the name, as the name implies, you watch videos, especially YouTube videos to earn money. So you can actually download this mobile app either from Google Play Store or through iOS Apple Store. So whichever one that you want to download it, it's there. Like it's there. You can see it there 100%. So before you proceed in downloading this particular mobile app, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end because there are a lot of things you need to know and understand about this mobile app for you not to make mistake right from the beginning. So what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video is what will enable you to make proper decision before downloading the app. So let's continue. So right now I'm going to be signing in on this app right here. So I'm going to be signing in using my Google account. So I'm going to be clicking on the Google sign in tab. So I'm going to be choosing one of my Gmail account to sign in immediately. So clicking on one of them, I will sign in right now immediately as fast and as easy as possible. So right now I've successfully signed into this platform right here, the to pay watch and earn. So as you can see, this is the interface of the platform right there. So everything you're going to be doing for you to make money is right here on the home page. So the most important aspect of them is watching YouTube videos and earning money. So there are two sides to this mobile app, the good side and the bad side. First off, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the good side, then before proceeding and sharing the bad side of this app so that you guys will know what you're up to. So let's continue. So the good side about this mobile app called 2Pay is that it's user friendly and everything you're going to be doing for you to make money in this website is very easy, clear and straightforward. And like I pointed out earlier in this video, one of the most important things you're going to be doing on this platform to earn money is watching YouTube videos and earning money. Now, other things you can do to actually earn money on this website is playing games and then answering surveys. There are a lot of surveys right on this website which you can answer to earn money. Then subscribing to Telegram channels, YouTube channel, Instagram channels that will be shown to you right on this platform to earn money. You can also get rewarded every day just by logging in on this platform. You can see the daily login reward right there. Today I'm going to be earning 100, tomorrow 150, next tomorrow 200. And that is how it keeps going. So for me to claim it, all I need to do is to click on the claim tab located below the rewards right there. So once I click on it, I will see a display of ad. So whenever you see a display of ad like this, you only have two options. The option one is for you to skip the ad and then continue with what you are doing. And then the option two is to leave the ad to complete its advertisement and then go away by itself. So I'm going to be choosing the second option, which is skipping the ad. So right now I've skipped the ad, then I'm redeeming my reward. As you can see, I've already redeemed my reward, which is 100 TP. So you can see that 100 TP plus the 50 TP for registration, making it 150 TP the first day. So this is how easy it is for you to earn points on this particular platform. So the next thing is for me to show you guys how you can actually start watching videos, the YouTube videos for you to start earning money. So swiping up a little bit is the 2Pay special features, which are some of the basic features that enables you to earn money from the 2Pay platform. So from the left hand side, you can see the subscribe channel and earn feature. Then you can see the watch YouTube and earn feature right there. After that, then the next is promote your channel if you want to promote your channel. So the next is follow on TikTok and earn. So this part, according to them, enables you to follow people on TikTok and earn money. Then the next is follow on Instagram and earn. So you follow accounts to earn money right on this platform. So this is how simple it is. But then you're going to be starting with the watch and earn feature, which is the watching videos to earn YouTube feature. So I'm going to be clicking on the watch YouTube videos to earn coins feature right now for us to get started immediately. So once I click on it, this is the page it's going to be redirecting us to. So first of all, you're going to be seeing ads before you see the main content, the same ad we saw when we were claiming our reward, our login reward. So I'm going to be skipping this ad so that we can continue with the main thing that we're about to do right now. So skipping the ad again. So this is where we are going to be watching the videos that will make us some money on this platform. And these are actually the list of videos you can be watching from for you to earn money. And now if you take a close look at all the videos right here, you can literally observe one thing, and which is all the videos right here has their own different duration and the different reward you are going to be getting once you are done watching those videos. So just take a look at all of them. All of them are just same thing, the same different duration and different reward right there. So taking a look at this right here, you can see the reward here is 22 TP, and then the video duration is 360 seconds. So that is how all of them is. But I think the higher the duration of the video, the higher the reward. That's what I think though. So now we're gonna be stepping into watching one of these videos for us to see how our reward is gonna be. So to avoid wasting your time, I'm going to be clicking on a random videos for us to watch and see how we are going to be earning our reward. So clicking on a random video, this is actually the video playing right now. So I'm going to be allowing the video to play completely for me to see how much and how the reward is going to be. So I'm done watching the video right now. So the reward has been claimed successfully. So let me check out the reward to see if it was credited on my reward account. So heading on to the home page right now to check out if this reward has been credited on my account. So yes, the reward has been credited right on my account right there. And you can see there 200 TP total. So the video I watched is 50 TP. So making it 200 TP right now. So moving on, I'm going to be checking this reward right on my wallet to know how much this reward is when being converted to real money. So heading on to my wallet, so I'm going to be choosing my country right there. So I'm going to be choosing my country, which is Nigeria right there. I'm still looking for it. Oh, so here's my country. I'm choosing it. Then I click OK. Now, looking closely on the wallet, you can see the total amount of money this 200 TP is, which is 0.004 cents. That's what it is. So we are not even close to there yet. Now, according to the payout policy, you need to reach at least a minimum of 0.5 cents for you to be able to cash out any money. Minimum of 0.5 cents. That's what you need. Then maximum of $10 for you to be able to cash out through PayPal. And for those who wants to cash out with Litecoin, there is also reservation for people like this who wants to cash out with Litecoin. And apart from this, there are other payment methods which you can actually use right on this platform. So one of the which is Ethereum. Ethereum is another payment method. If you don't have PayPal account to use, or you don't have any Litecoin account, you can actually use Ethereum to cash out. Then another one which you can also use is Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is another payment method which you can use, and then Bitcoin. So you can actually use your Bitcoin wallet to cash out right from this platform. So these are the different payment method which you can actually use on this platform for you to actually start cashing out immediately. And that is it for how you can cash out from this platform. Now, when it comes to the bad side of this platform, one of the bad side of this platform that you need to understand is that this platform contains a lot of art. I mean, when I mean a lot of art, there's a lot of art plastered everywhere on this platform, which makes it look suspicious and which makes it look unreal, like something that is not legit because of this art that is plastered everywhere, making it so annoying. So if you're not the patient type, you might lose hope and then leave the platform. Another downside of this platform, which I actually observe, is that it can take you a little while for you to reach the 0.1 cent threshold. Now you need to watch a lots of videos before you can actually reach that 0.1 cent threshold, including that 0.5% threshold. And when it comes to cashing out on this platform, I must tell you the truth, guys. I haven't cashed out on this platform for the first time. And so everything I'm telling you guys about this platform is based on observation and the claims that was laid on this platform, that this platform actually pays when you watch videos on it. So you can actually try it out on your own and then leave in the comment section once you try it out, telling me if it's real, if it's legit or not. So I'm going to be waiting for you all that we try this platform. So thanks for watching once again, guys. And if you have any question that you want to ask me regarding this platform, you can leave it in the comment section and come in there to reply all your questions one after the other. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next video.